Alright, this is the Caterpillar forklift project. It's a Cat V40B. Let's run over here and look at the serial number real quick. '81 M2765. Alright, I'll tell you what's wrong with this thing. It's missing parts. It's missing the steering column and what I was calling the gearbox. I believe it's called the orbital steering valve. Hooks up right there. Hooks up to that dog leg thing. That's totally missing. Brake master cylinder, missing. Tilt cylinders, missing. That's all I know so far that's missing. So I got a few online parts requests out there. I got some information, but not what I need. I got guys quote me $432 for to replace the steering column with the orbital steering valve. So I'm sure there's more to it than this, but it's propane. Everything looks pretty good. I think the owner just got sick of it and dumped it on me, hoping I can make some money with it. So this thing, gotta get the missing parts, get a propane tank, and see if we can get this bad boy fired up. And yes, it will be for sale as soon as I get it running.